I've been having problems with my phone storage, so hopefully this video will not cut out. But let's just go over the outfit really quick. Let's go over the outfit real quick. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the shirt. Shout out to the shirt. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the watch. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the jacket. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the jeans. Shout out to the ones. You know what I mean? Shout out to everybody. Shout out to all my smokers. I know a lot of y'all watch me. You know, shout out to all my spiritual people out there. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everyone out there in the struggle. You guys know I got Mook with me. Mook, come here, man. Mook. Oh, this motherfucker. Hold on. Whew, so I also want to say I got Mook here with me. All right, Mook, come here. And he has his jacket on too. Mook, come here. Say what's up, man. Say what's up, man. Say what's up to the people, Mook. So anyways, whew, I got Mook here with me. I'm out here in nature. All right, so this is gonna be the first video of a series of videos going over meditation. And I'm gonna be explaining meditation as I've come to understand it, because I do realize that there's a lot of golden rules to meditation, a lot of golden ways in order to understand meditation. But I wanna try to break it down into more layman's terms so that we can kind of access it, you know, so it can be a little bit more accessible. And so, gosh, hold on, Mook keeps running off trying to beat up this little dog. Hold on. Mook, hey man, Mook, Mook, relax, man, relax, calm down. So this place here, where we're at right now, my sanctuary, okay? This is the place where I recorded, it's like one of my most popular videos. This is the place where I've went through some of the most difficult stages of my life and made some of the most serious decisions. And this is also a place that I identify with and I connect with on a very deep level. Whenever you're looking for sanctuary, this is some of the things you want to look for in sanctuary. In the sanctuary, the place that you are going to be doing your meditation. What you consider sanctuary can be anything. It doesn't have to necessarily be grand or vast. It can be a place close to home, a place that you identify with. It's just a place that you're comfortable with. And I think it's important, at least initially, in the early stages of meditation, to find a sanctuary that speaks to you, that's easy to access, and to not beat yourself up and get too beat up on finding the ultimate sanctuary. Because I can say honestly, a place like this is an amazing place. However, I personally do not find peace in this place the same as I do in my actual sanctuary. So you may get caught up on a lot of things associated with sanctuary, the aesthetic, the ego side of sanctuary. And I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little hint. You know, with meditation, we're working on going beyond the whole ego thing. So the purpose of the sanctuary is really just to find a place that you identify with personally. I don't want to ramble. But this is a great example of a place where a lot of people may be able to easier find a way to connect with their higher self. This video, we're gonna have all sorts of different examples of sanctuary, but I just wanted to show you guys something that maybe was a little bit more out of the norm. Hey! So then once you find the place that you identify with, at that point, you want to just start to build a relationship with the place. And you want to get an idea of everything about the place and really pay attention to the place that you are sort of identifying with as your sanctuary. And it's really simple. It's just a matter of just taking in as much as you can to every detail. Pay attention to the plants that are growing, what direction the light comes from, what direction the wind comes from, the smell. You want to really create a real vivid sense in your mind of what is in the place. Because regardless of where it is, whether it be a car, whether it be a bathroom, whether it be the top of an apartment building, whether it be in the middle of some sort of national monument, even whether it even be in a church, everything in that environment is what you connect with and what you channel with, and where you really are able to connect with your higher self. And so for that reason, in order to meditate, I really think that the best first step is finding sanctuary. It's a great first step, and it's also a really fun step, and I really think it really helps the whole process of being able to connect on a meditative level. As time goes on and you go through different things, you'll start to notice that the sanctuary is a place where you really are able to derive power, because you associate the place with all the challenges that you meditated through, all of the decisions you made, and it always connects you to those things. And so that's just one of the things that makes sanctuary so great.